Hello Platers! The hustle and bustle in the metro is even more stressful with the current traffic situation in the country. With that being said, car owners and enthusiasts started to see the beauty of hatchback cars, small, compact, perfect for that city drive. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 4 hatchback cars that are perfect for your city driving. Number 1, Chevrolet Spark. The Chevrolet Spark is equipped with features that can justify its expensive stretch. It has the biggest engine versus the 4 other options mentioned with a 1.4-liter capacity. It also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It also features 3-point seat belts all around for the 5 seats for safety. The seatbelts come with ISOFIX child anchors, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. Its small size but compact power with its engine and added safety features make it fit for a good city drive buddy. Number 2, Mitsubishi Mirage. Ready to fuel your efficiency needs, Mitsubishi Mirage features a 1.2-liter engine with 78 horsepower and 100 nautical miles of torque. This feature is also mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The hatchback of balance is what Mirage is fit to be called, with its good balance between the interior and exterior dimensions. It can fit 5 adults with luggages and is also equipped with infotainment systems with Bluetooth capability. More than being a fit for city driving, its high value for money is another plus why you should cop this hatchback. Number 3, Toyota Wego. Quirky little hatch is what Toyota Wego is. Its top-spec variant features a navigation-ready infotainment system fit for AUX and USB. Its interior space is just enough for 4 adults with ample trunk space. It's not a fancy car, but it brings you to your destination with ease, particularly because of its size. The value for money of Toyota Wego is also reasonable. Breeze through the traffic with the right functionality of Toyota Wego. Number 4, Honda Brio. The design of Honda Brio, its ergonomics, and quality is the sweetest spot for this hatchback. It features a bit downsized engine with 1.2-liter capacity only. Given its engine size, it's still a decent hatch. If you want to flaunt your way through the traffic, Honda Brio is the right match for you. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.